I'm Lizzy from Tentworld Browns Plains, and this is my pal Leo. And today we're going to talk about the Outdoor Connection dog bed. This dog bed comes in two sizes. The one Leo is on now is the small, and then there is a slightly larger one that can hold up to 50 kilos in weight. The bed is made from 600 denier polyester with a durable PVC backing. It also comes with a 16mm frame, which is also powder coated. Extra accessories that you can purchase for the dog bed are replacement dog covers or fleecy dog mats for those cooler months. Another thing I like about this bed is that it can be easily packed up and stored in this durable carry bag. Well, that's it. That's everything you need to know about the Outdoor Connection dog bed. If you're interested in purchasing one of these or want to know more information, go to any of our Tentworld stores or online.